You can do 2 coats of this colors, like a hot pink, and key this on for 30 seconds. Also, I'm gonna do that one too and key it for 30 seconds as well. Did a super cute newest foil as well. So we're gonna do that 2 designers here. Beside all the sticker we have, 2 designers, and then we do 1 more this one done first. How everyone doing? I'm gonna try to get the good angle for us. It's cool though, it's like a backward, and I think it doesn't matter you want to go, it looks super cute in a way. Right here, I think I got the spot that I want. Using my tweezer. And on the other end, just simple as it is, transfer everything for us. I'm gonna do another one. This one, is this one key already? Super cute. I'm gonna do it right here. You see, you lay it on the top and rubs all the way down. You can see that it's already transferred perfectly. How's everyone doing Monday? I'm excited to see everyone today. Last Saturday we did really good with like all 40 gels. So cute. Super easy. And it transferred everything for us. This is a nails from last Saturday. If you miss this, you can always be watching them from our IGTV, Facebook, or YouTube. Let me move on to the third one. Move this one down here. And do a transfer foil for this one. This one is really cool and interesting because I have a new, either that snake skin, the newest one, or I have, where my other one is, right here. Maybe I should use this one. Have a rose gold. I'm gonna do the, I only have 1 coat, which is totally fine because I'm gonna transfer the designs on the top, so I don't want to be too thick. Here for 30 seconds. Do you want to see this one? I want to see this one. I did that one on my nails. I'm playing with this. Hey Sassy, how are you? Hi Tiffany. Hi Super. All right. We can do this one. It's really cool. Here's the design. I do not want to transfer completely, so I want just part of it. It's really cool though. You don't have to lay them completely because that's how I want it, like that. It's really cool though. It's like a flecky on it. Look at that. Perfect. Let's give you a perfect of oh, let me just take it off. Oh, I really like this one. So let's do some crystal placement on this one. On these 3 nails.